Alright, so I'm going to try the Unapproachable Makeup look that's been going on TikTok, because why not? Like, I want to give like Zendaya, you know, like I feel like Zendaya she does the very iconic unapproachable makeup, and that's how I want to be looking like. So hold on, I need to look at reference. So we searching on TikTok because that's where I saw that. Okay, this is definitely giving unapproachable. So what I'm seeing is dark eyeshadow, like definitely eyeliner. Yes, like it's majority of the look is in the eyes. So let's get into it. This is scary. Like I haven't done I use my eyeshadow palette, but like I don't be using it like that. And I got colorful ones, and they're like cheap. We're not gonna talk about it because I don't use that the eyeshadows that much. So, but it's very pigmented, so there's that. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna do an eyebrow slit too. It's literally one of my favorite things to do on my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do an eyebrow slit, definitely. And very like defined eyeliner. You know that one girl? Do you see her makeup? Not her makeup, her eyeliner. That's given like, don't talk to me. And that's what we need a channel. So let's get into it. And since I don't have a black eyeliner, I'm gonna use, since I don't have a black eyeshadow, I don't know what I'm gonna use, honestly. So I'm gonna just like, since I don't have that, I'm just gonna do majority eyeliner. That's what I'm about to do for real. So let's get to skin prep. My skin's kind of getting dry, so the Vaseline, obviously. I'm putting it only under my eyes because that's where I put a lot of product. Forehead. It already moisturized my skin, but no. I'm just being extra because why not? Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put my contacts on. Cause like, or should I keep my dark eyes? I'm gonna put contacts on. We're not gonna talk about the fact that I'm crying right now. So, wait. Give it a second. And my eyes adjust to it. Alright. What do y'all think? Contacts? No contacts. Let's see with the flash. Because you can't really be telling, like, the type. So, contacts. There's literally no difference, but like, y'all can't really tell, but I could tell. And I'm going with contacts. So this eye was easier. Alright, let's get into it. Conceal corrector. I don't know, I feel like this is thicker. So I added it for my concealer. Also, you know, to color correct because you gotta do that. And it's not like my right shade of color correct because I got the wrong one. But we're not gonna talk about it. This works for me, you know, because I often do bright under eyes. So it's like either way, it's a win or win. And I'm not doing. I think most of the examples that I've seen, they did not do a bright under eye. So, oh, they did. They did do it right under eyes, so we are doing that too. Never mind. This is my lightest shade. It's Neutrogena. I usually wait till it dries, but we don't have that type of time. So we'll just add it on top. And we start making our gradient. This is my neck. This. And then we go to my regular concealer, which is crazy because I usually use this for my inner corner, and I'm using it as like the last shade. Dior, I'm up in all the stores. Alright, I use this. I use this Dior concealer as my contour. Not too much now. It works for me. And since we're doing unapproachable, like I'm trying to do as like a defined look, almost like masculine, you know. So we are sculpting this face. Ta-da-tay. Honestly, the only thing I don't like is how fast it dries, and it gets all like dry on my face. I don't know. I mean, that's the point, but like, going a little too fast now. While we wait for this to dry, we are going to do my eyebrows. I forgot the most important part. Just go down. You get me. Let's give an artiste. Thank you. How many sets should I do? Look, you want to do two. Should I do thin or thick eyebrows? Let me see what you did. I want to do thick, dark brows. Yes, I thought so. Perfect. Y'all see this? I'm not no artist or anything. I am, but like I'm saying I'm an artist. I look so silly. I look so weak. You know, with makeup, it's ugly before it's pretty, so bear with it. Like, my number one philosophy is that if you feel like you're doing something wrong, you're probably doing it right. And that's like regarding it like something difficult. Like, if you feel like you can't do it, like you lost all hope, continue to do it, because at the end of the day, you're going to like win. Like, you get what I'm saying, ain't it? You get me? Like, got the whole mirror in my face. Damn, got me cross-eyed. I feel like every year I get excited to go to school. Like, I don't know, just the excitement of the first day is something different. But then give it like a month, not even a month. Give it 2 weeks and I'm already over it. Like, I want to go home. Like, doing things for the first time is just interesting to me. It's so fun. Like, I get excited to do it. But I mean, it could just be me, but I'm just like, this is low-key too thick. We are going to leave it like that. So I'm not gonna do nothing with the other brows. I'm just gonna do regular. I don't really like this brow. struggling to go perfect, and then I do the next one, and it's like, be like your twin. Like, come on now. You gotta do that high arch. I forgot. Yeah, I think I'm doing it already. Gotta get that like Ursula eyebrow look. Like, I know you. Ted, you know, that's what this makeup should be giving. It's a technique I do when I don't wash my sponge yet. I just put concealer over it, or I don't know which sponge I used before. I just put concealer over it and then tap, 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 tap away. Actually, before I continue tapping, let's do eyeshadow. I love when things go my way. Low-key ate that like I did. Sharp lines, you know, I want it to be a gradient, and it's not cooperating with me. Is it sharp? Is it sharp? We went on to the other side. Y'all see what I mean by Ursula? Ursula. When I'm doing this, I don't really swipe. I tap it in. Except for the inner corners, I swipe because I can't be tapping because then I'm gonna pop my eyes. Swipe inward or inward, upward. If that makes sense. In and up. You'll see. Well, that's the look. I'm gonna do the lips and I'm gonna show you the results. Like, it's okay. You can give me my reward now. I low-key ate with that. Like, don't approach me. I don't know you.